Hi everyone, this is the Fix-It Lady. I just got my gift from Miss Southern Belle. I won at It's Me, Angie. I was in a chat room and Miss Southern Belle kindly donated a gift, and this is what I got. So I opened it so you didn't see addresses. Oh, so beautiful. It's a glowing puzzle. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Look at that. How cool is that? I love puzzles. Oh my gosh, you're like Nomi. How beautiful is that? And how sweet. Oh my goodness. Look at all this stuff. Good grief. And color. Oh my gosh. My very first adult coloring book. Oh my gosh. How did she know that? I think she's been lurking. She has been lurking. Girl, she's been lurking. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to do it. I'm so excited. You don't know how I'm excited and appreciative I am. It's just so beautiful. I have been wanting to do this. Haven't gotten out to do it or get it, and I've just really wanted to take the time to do this for myself because I used to do art, and I just love this. It's so beautiful. I love it, love it, love it, love it. You are just so wonderful. What is this? Oh, chocolate, chocolate. Who doesn't love chocolate? And what is this? A bag of goodies. Oh my goodness. Chocolate covered pine cones. Oh my goodness. Miss Southern Belle. As you would say, Miss Southern Belle. We won't check the calories or anything, right? Hi, Rocco. Oh my goodness. Look at all these goodies. Oh my gosh. I always wanted to try one of these. Yum, yum. How yummy is that? Oh. What is that? Oh, decaffeinated. I need decaffeinated. Those are so yummy. Coffee. And what is this? Oh, pumpkin spice tea. Bella wants to get in the box too. Oh my gosh, I am going to have to try this. I love tea. I love hot tea, cold tea, any kind of tea. I love tea. And beautiful. Oh, that is so beautiful. How lovely is that? Designed by Miss Southern Belle. How beautiful is that? Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Why, this isn't a chicken, but it's an owl, but that's okay. It's Me, Angie giveaway from Miss Southern Belle. Gift box. Love it. That is so cute. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. And it's an owl. Hey, it's okay. I like that saying, winner, winner, chicken dinner. It's Me, Angie. Go check her out. You can win some fun stuff on her channel. And if Miss Southern Belle's in there, you never know. She's giving out gift boxes. You do such great work. Look at that. How beautiful. And I just love this. Love, love, love. It's beautiful. So beautiful. Again, thank you so much. Shout out to It's Me, Angie, for the giveaway. Thank you so much. Just shout out for Miss Southern Belle gift box. You guys are awesome. I love you. Talk to you later, guys. Thank you again so much. You have no idea. This is awesome. Just made my day. Hi, guys.